Gio, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. My audio cut out, and I didn't hear a word you said. I heard school year's over for me. 3v3 gunfight, by the way. I heard school year's over for me, and that was it. I'm obviously going crossbow. I hit right above his head. My aim was so off. Oh my god. Bro, my aim... I hope it doesn't show me. My aim was so bad. Holy crap. Bro, I'm ashamed of what just happened. Like, I let the teammate die because my aim was so bad. And then you cleaned it up, so it didn't really matter. But still. Is he AFK? I'm so confused. I mean, GG's. ICBM is our home, so. I'm not. I'm kind of like doing terrible. Oh! But I'm not. I love this gun. I mean, that was kind of like spawn, but like... Know what I'm saying, B? Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. One of them's in spawn still. From the left side. I mean, like... The homie's aim ain't exactly on point, but... He can still clutch up here. Nah, that guy was one tap too. Bro, my aim is like just no Beanos. Yeah. Bro, he's on the right side. Just one tap. Sounds like they're in middle. I don't fucking know. I'm doing really bad this game. I tagged him in the head. He's right side, one's left side. I mean, yeah, he ain't exactly pulling through. He literally didn't do damage that round. He's fucking head glitching me, bro. Let's go! Bro, my entire screen was shaking. Still beam that kid. Another 3 times! On an AK! Skirt! Left side. One's in the bottom, coming, yeah, through there. Let's go, Geo. He's an idiot. Confirmed. Bro, I had... Oh, bro, I was retarded. Our teammate, I mean, like, he had alright kills, but the damage... I don't know about that, Chief.